You know who we are? Well, you should know who we are. We're from the Colorado Media School. No, this school year, really.
I think I might know what you're looking for.
If you know what we want, then where is it?
It's in the cabinet.
Are we happy?
Yeah.
Are we really happy?
Oh, we're very happy.
I can get you some unmarked food stamps, bro. You can spend them anywhere you want, man.
Do I look like the type of person that you see this watch? Do I look like I use food stamps?
Dude, you won't. Ain't nobody even gonna know because it comes in a card.
Look now, you having a good day?
I was.
Do you want to continue to have a good day?
Yes, sir.
You see my muscle right here? You see this muscle? You see this? Do you want
You
her?
sure?
Do you want her
No.
to pop up in your back seat?
No.
Since the dawn of time, man has had one goal: to organize and build a society with rules.
I'm sorry. You know, we're really sorry. We were gonna bring the equipment back. You know, we had the best intention.
What does the Colorado Media School look like?
What?
What does the Colorado Media School look like to you?
What?
Do you speak English?
What?
Say what again, I double dare you. What does the Colorado Media School look like?
A school.
It's a school in Lakewood, Colorado that cares about its students and brings in every resource to make sure that the students can succeed. There's a passage I like to tell people, CMS chapter 25, verse 17. The path of the man on time is surrounded by tyranny and evil men. Blessed be his, and timeliness must be his brother's keeper. And I will strike down with vengeance
What?
for all those who try to poison the system.